Hi, Dr. Mish here, and I'm here with Andrew. Andrew, how long have you been coming here to the office?
Year and a half.
And why did you come here?
Get adjusted.
And do you like to get chiropractic care?
Yeah.
And how does chiropractic care help you? Yeah. And do you think it helps you with some of the things that you do?
Yeah.
Like what?
Baseball and sports and stuff.
Okay. Well, we're going to go ahead and get your spine checked for subluxation and see how your nerves are working here.
Okay.
All right? Hey, go ahead and lay down, Andrew.
You make now you probably don't want to use that bowl. I can get you a bowl that you want to use for that.
And Andrew, one of the things that we saw was your head shifted forward, so we're going to bring your head up. So get your head up over your shoulders. Take some of the tension and stress off of your nerves. We're going to keep your feet properly aligned. Check your hips.
Can you get it okay?
Check through your lumbar spine and your thoracic spine here.
2 or 3. You can get 2 or 3.
So does this hurt?
No.
No. Feel pretty good getting adjusted?
Yeah.
Yeah. Just checking things out here. Okay, and then we're going to make an adjustment right in here. That'll actually improve the nerves to your ears in just a second here. And you've been playing football lately, right?
Yeah.
And that can cause your spine to get out of alignment. So we're going to make a couple of adjustments here. This one right here, this improves the nerves going right to your hips. And then we're going to make this adjustment here, and this will help keep your head up over your shoulders. And we're going to make an adjustment right in here with your neck. And we're using an adjusting instrument to make that adjustment. All right, Andrew, your power's on, buddy. So, Andrew, how do you feel after you get your adjustment?
Good.
Awesome. Have a great day.